Hey guys, Zep Productions here. In this video I have the Glock 19 Gen 3. This was $150 on Amazon and the link is down in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing. This gun is made by Umarex and is officially licensed by Glock. Fires at 410 FPS, uses a 12 gram CO2 cartridge, uses steel BBs, 15 round mag, drop free magazine, metal slide, and a weaver rail. Glock 19, this one is in black. CO2 not included. Cancer and reproductive harm warning on the back, and more stats. Here is the gun itself. It also has a fixed slide, so you can't cock it back. That's one downside of this, but it's actually a pretty heavy gun. It has a stick mag with 15 rounds, Glock on the bottom. And of course it has the Gen 3 stippling on the pistol grip. Here's what it looks like down the barrel. It's got your traditional Glock trigger with the trigger safety on it. Other side of the stippling. And it has the traditional Glock dot sights too. On the bottom, there's no safety like the Glock 17 Gen 3, so this is more realistic. And here's the Glock 19X for comparison. The Glock 19 is a pretty small gun, especially for me, barely fits in my hand. And here's the 19 in comparison to it, 19X. Of course, the 19X is a Gen 5, so it has the Gen 5 stippling, as you can see. They're about the same size, but the 19X has a longer slide and a bigger grip as well. Here's the instruction manual. It was kind of ripped, but it goes over the same stuff that was on the packaging. On the inside, it goes over safety instructions, description, care, and operation. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.